bit too much. Past 2 years. We do not like coconut oil in hair care products. Hey, hello, how's it going? I finished a 7-hour shift at work, took a nap, got ready, had something to eat. I'm reading your comments. The comments from one of my popular videos, ranking the worst and best hair care brands. So a lot of y'all left comments asking about certain brands, and I responded to some, but not all. Because once you hit a certain threshold, and I'm not big in any means, I would say it just gets a bit tedious, a bit too much to comment back. So here's my response. You're welcome. Yes, you love me. So we will go through the comments. Literally, I'm gonna go to my YouTube studio right now on my laptop. So we'll go newest first, not top. How do you feel about brands like Luesta, Marc Anthony, Chi, or Shea Moisture compared to, say, OGX? I have OGX coconut conditioner, but need a new one soon, either one of these. So in that video, I said I liked OGX, but literally within the past 2 years, a recall happened with dry shampoo. I won't get too into that, but how about this? OGX is in there in the recall, because I said I liked it, and then I'm here like contradicting it when clients ask me, being like, what type of dry shampoo should I buy? So how about this? I feel like an idiot because I didn't do all my research on OGX. Just I liked it because mostly it's fine for a drugstore. Luesta, let's look up that one. Luesta, oh, here we go. Shampoo, hair mask, purple shampoo, okay. Biotin and collagen, keratin oil, Canada Beauty. Oh, I've seen this at Winners, Marshalls. I go there all the time for clothes and stuff, but I never go through the hair care stuff because, and half the time all that stuff is expired and it has been opened even though they resealed it. So it's just not up to par because of that. Cruelty free, oh, I love that. That's good. Care for color, okay, good. Solon sulfates, okay, so sulfate free, but do you have silicones? Do you have waxes? Do you have dyes? Do you have minerals? Coconut oil? We do not like coconut oil in hair care products. Coconut oil's molecules are much bigger than hair strands. They do nothing but block the hair shaft. That's all it does. Nothing else. And I know some people swear by it, but seriously, all it does is block the hair follicle. But other than that, it was pretty good. So, color brightening bundle? What? Oh, purple. See, mislead. Okay. I liked it, but now looking further into it. You cannot braid your hair without bleach. You need bleach to lighten your hair. Nothing else lightens it, except for permanent color if your hair is fully natural and virgin. Like the only thing purple shampoo can do is to remove the yellow pigment in hair. Purple and yellow are opposites on the color wheel. Well, Luesta, I don't have the website made because I just wanted to go through comments and organically go through everything. Luesta, it's okay. Voiceover Valerie here. It's low to mid tier. I really don't like it, but it's okay, I guess. Luesta, Marc Anthony. I think I touched on Marc Anthony in that video though. I think I did. Chi, oh, I saw this like Barbie Chi at Winners and I was kind of intrigued, not gonna lie. Oh, they have a Barbie straightener. Oh, I kind of want one of those because Chi, like Hot Tools, are actually really good. They have a Chi like Barbie. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna look at general products from Chi. So Chi is also part of BioSilk, Chi footwear, Beyond Glow sheet. By hair concerns, I see paraben free, gluten free, sulfate free. I think I should go to one of those ones. Maybe paraben free, sulfate free. So let's go through the shampoo here because it's paraben free, which we know. There's no ingredient list. Hold up, that makes me ooh. Key benefits just says sulfate free, paraben free, and gluten free. Okay, good stuff. But do you have minerals? Do you have dyes? Do you have? Like I said, a lot of brands are going in the right direction. Just, we need more things out. And this isn't even saying that they have it in there. Oh, here we go, ingredients, water, and they have perfume, but again, you don't need that. Okay. She is much better than Luesta, so higher rating than that.
but not as good as Davines in my opinion, but still really good in comparison to everything else.
Shea Moisture, I forget. Oh, I think this one is heavy on the coconut. Yep, this is the one. It's heavy on the coconut oil, it's heavy on the sulfates. Yeah, don't like personally, but hey, if it works for you, like I said in the other video, if it works for you, by all means, you can keep on doing you. Just, this is a hairstylist opinion. What are your thoughts on 11 Australia and Milkshake Hair? 11 Australia. So it's a professional hair care and styling brand that was created in 2009. I was in high school then. Shop all, Woke to shampoo, deep clean shampoo. There we go. Oh, it's in euros, so I have no idea what the price conversion is for American or US. I just said. So I don't know the conversion rate for Canadian or US or anyway, so this is cruelty free. That's amazing. Paraben free. Good. 100% recyclable packaging. Love that. Vegan. Woohoo. Gluten free. Hero ingredients and benefits. Okay. Lavender. That is good for you. Lavender oil is good for you. Orange oil cleanses hair and scalp. Yes, that's good. So there's a wax in here and too much water sometimes. I can't see it, but from my reading,
it's honestly okay as well. So yeah, approved.
And Milkshake Hair. Ooh, I think I saw this one at Walmart when I was there for like some makeup. Yeah, it says find a salon. Okay, so it's a salon brand. That's good because we want to support small shops, small businesses, all that stuff. Product shampoo. Let's go through a shampoo. A Moisture Plus. Sure. Ingredients. Okay. Other than that though, it actually seems. Oh, fragrance again. Why is you're gonna smell good? But honestly, I like it.
Yeah, I like Milkshake. It's good. It's to my standards, honestly. So good job.
This comment here says, where would you put Chi and MIC? Are we gonna talk about Chi? Hair. Well, I love the packaging of Eva NYC. I will say, oh my god, it looks so cool. Ingredients say that there is, other than fragrance, it's approved! Good job, Eva NYC.
Yeah, so like I said, it's approved. I actually really like it. It's a good choice if you're on a budget. Like I said, if anything, at Winners, the stuff gets open from time to time. So just be careful about that. But other than that, good. Like them, love them, and will buy something now, actually.
Oh, Pureology. Yes, I respond to this comment saying I'd never heard of it until like recently, honestly, which is so true somehow. And I have a feeling I'm gonna like this because one of my friends uses their stuff at her like her salon suites. It says 100% vegan formulas, anti-fade complex, concentrated formulas, less water use, which is what I keep on saying. For all hair types, paraben and mineral oil free. Yes, I had to go through Say No Hairstyles so I can look. I think I can't see prices, but can I see ingredients? I don't want to see the price. I want to see ingredients. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, this seems to be like a professional brand, which is good. I will say, personally, if you buy from my salon, if you're one of my clients, that's great. But as long as it's a professional brand and like professional quality stuff, you're good. I have clients tell me they use like the Amica stuff, and that's pretty good if you ask me. Urology, confirmed, we're good. Paul Mitchell. Okay, that's a new one. Salon quality hair product. I mean, every brand almost does that nowadays. Let's check out a Paul Mitchell shampoo now, shall we? Okay, we'll go with this one because this one I've seen around a little bit. Ingredients: water, sodium, sulfate, chloride, white ginger. Other than perfume, which if you can tell, not every brand has perfume because there's a reason you don't need your hair to smell good. And a little bit of waxes, but it's fine if you ask me. It is paraben free, like it says here. Yes, good job, Paul Mitchell. Not my favorite. I never used it, but from the ingredient list, we're good. What was Suave? SUAVE. Is this one drugstore? See, this is the thing too with websites. Ow. Sometimes they're like, yeah, we're good. There's a collection just called Pink. Just pink. Sorry, I love pink. Oh, and also twice this here, 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Literally, unless you have like very short hair, like men's cut thing, I don't see a point in 2-in-1s. They both do so different things. Literally, just automatically because of that, I'm like, no, ew. How would you rate Not Your Mother's and Soapbox? Wait, is this Oh, I remember using the sea salt spray from this brand when I was in high school. Memories. But we're gonna look at the shampoo. So it's gluten-free, silicone-free, and with protein. Again, not everyone needs protein in their hair, but okay, coolio. Ingredients. Yeah, so fragrance, not needed. Okay, I guess. And soap box, what's soap? Hair. They have a coconut oil moist. Coconut oil does nothing! For frick's sake! Soapbox ingredient list is not the best. It could be better, but it's also not the worst, honestly, so hey. And then Cume. Why haven't I been copying and pasting? Well, I guess I kind of wanted to click it, clack me. No, it's sold in Hudson's Bay? Interesting. So it looks like this one could be better, could be worse. Not bad. Okay. It's an okay. This one I responded to saying seen developed by a new dermatologist. Well, I responded to her and my response says it's good for the most part. Just get a fragrance-free version since this brand is for make sure your skin is okay too, along with your hair. Fragrances isn't really needed or okay. And we reached the end of the comments. There you go. There's some more brands I just rated. If you have any other questions, like lay them on me in the comment section below. I do try and respond to them, honestly. But yeah, that's me responding to comments, but also too like looking into other hair brands. Like I said too, some of these are actually pretty good if you ask me. So I think we're good for a while now for another video like this. If you have any questions for a hairstylist, let me know. Subscribe to the channel. I'm so close to 400, which would be really cool to say. Because right now I've been saying to all my clients, like, yeah, I have like 390 something. Like the video if you've enjoyed it, and if you want more like this, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That's all I really post on nowadays. Yeah, have a good one. Have a good day, night, everything. I love you so very much. And I will see you in my chair view of my clients. Love you so much. Thank you for the view. I love you. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.